Hello kids, today I'm gonna teach you name of shapes. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you about the colors. So I'm using this black color, green color and red color. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna draw a circle with a red color. So it's a circle. Circle. CIRCLE.
Wow!
Circle. Now I'm going to use a green color and I'm going to draw a star. It's a star. STAR, star. Now I'm going to use black color and I'm going to draw a square. This is SQUARE, square. Now I'm going to use green color and I'm going to draw triangle. So this is TRIANGLE, triangle. Now I'm going to use black color and I'm going to draw oval. So this is an oval, OVAL, oval. So I'm using again red color and it's a rectangle, RECTANGLE, rectangle. So we have circle and this is red color, and now we have a triangle and this is a green color. Now we have a square and
Wow!
it's a black color. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, like this video, subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye kids. Take care.